You guys up for a toga party?
Toga! Toga!
Yeah, I think they like the idea, Hoove.
I got this feeling that we're gonna be alright. Gonna be alright. The kids are alive and kicking, running for their lives. We've just been getting bad and still believe it hurts. Let's spend it time, spitting out these stupidly good looks. You'll never know. Friends like these, you'll never know. You'll never know. You'll never know. Friends like this, you'll never know. You'll never know. Remember these places made you out of time. Drunk and understand that you can never quite take back. Blood, rise on the rise. I swear I could have almost died. You'll never know. Friends like these, you'll never know. You'll never know. You'll never know. Friends like this, you'll never know. You'll never know. You'll never know.
Deadbolt, where you can hang out with your wang out.
Rock out with your cock out.
Deadbolt's fucking awesome. Boom, boom. Easily the best alternative club in Manchester. Scale of us, Deadbolt, I'll take it as Deadbolt. Fucking awesome, man. Best night.